This is Standard 7 Language Direct and Indirect Speech, Chapter 16, page number 99. All of you take out page number 99, Chapter 16, Direct and Indirect Speech. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. At the same time, like interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence and assertive sentence, how the direct speech change to indirect speech and what are the rules we will discuss in this video. Okay, so let's get started. Question arises, what is direct speech and what is indirect speech? So there are two ways in which we can report what a person said. So what is direct speech? There are two ways in which we can report what a person said. It is said to be the direct speech. When we use the exact words of the speaker to report what he or she has said, we call it direct speech. Okay, so the person directly speaking something, that is known as direct speech. In direct speech, the narration or the quotation mark, the speaker exact words we keep. The what is the speaker said exactly, that we keep in the quotation mark. For example, John said. Okay, so first punctuation mark will come. John said, you have to put a comma. I am trying for a job here. Okay, so what John said? I am trying for a job here. So what directly John has said? So what is the John has said? That I am trying for a job here. So it is known as what? Reported speech. John said is known as reported verb and I am trying for a job here is known as reported speech. Okay, so these are known as what? This is known as direct speech. The exact word of the speaker, there is a comma after the reporting verb. The quoted words begin with a capital letters. These are the rule when you write a direct speech. What is the rule? The exact word of the speaker. What the speaker said exactly, that we have to write. There is a comma after the reporting verb. I already told you reported speech and reported verb. Okay, so after the reported verb, you have to put a comma. That was the first punctuation mark. Then what the person said, that we have to keep within the quote. Okay, so example is John said, I am trying for a job here. So this is known as direct speech. These are what kind of sentence? This is assertive or the statement sentence. Okay, so now question comes, what is indirect speech? When we use our own words to repeat what a person has said, we use the indirect speech. What the person has said, we have to say it, so that is known as indirect speech. It is also called the reported speech. Okay, so when we use our own words to repeat what a person has said, we use indirect speech. It is also called the reported speech. For example, John said, already I have given the example. John said, I am trying for a job here. So John said that. So keep in mind, when you change first statement, it will come that. After said, it will come that. John said that he, because John is masculine gender, that's why he was trying for a job here. He was trying for a job, where the tense also will change. So there are certain rules how to change from direct to indirect speech. The rules for changing the direct to indirect speech is the tenses of the verb. Okay, first the tenses of the verb will change. The reporting verb said, told, asked, followed by that. Okay, so the reported speech said, told, not asked. Asked will never followed by that. That will go slowly. Okay, the words of the speaker will be written in inverted comma. Okay, the expression of the time and the place. Okay, so certain changes will be there. Direct speech, so see the example. Direct speech, suppose helping verb is, are. In indirect speech, that will go to was and were. Suppose was and were, that is past tense, that will go to had been. Suppose did, do, that will go to did. Suppose did, then that will go to had done. Okay, and suppose has or have, that will go to had. So these are here, there, this, that, these, those. Certain changes are also there. It is already there in your book, what I taught you in the class. Okay, changes of tense from direct to indirect speech. Simple present tense. If in direct speech the sentence is in simple present tense, that will go to simple past tense. For example, he said, I write a letter. He said, reported verb. I write a letter, reported speech. It is known as direct speech. So when we change it to indirect speech, he said that. Pay attention, after said you have to write that. He said that. Right past tense is, simple past tense is wrote. He said that he wrote a letter. Okay, so simple present tense will change to simple past tense. Present continuous tense will change to past continuous tense. If the sentence is in direct speech and the sentence is the reported speech is in present continuous tense, when you change it to indirect speech, that will go to past continuous tense. He said, comma, I am writing a letter. Okay, he said, comma, he said, reported verb, I am writing a letter, reported speech. The sentence is in direct speech. When we change to indirect speech, he said that he was writing a letter. So present continuous will change to past continuous. Okay, next one is present perfect becomes past perfect. He said, I have written a letter. He said, comma, reported verb, I have written a letter is reported speech, that will be within the quote. When we change to indirect speech, he said that he had written a letter. So in this tense, what you change? Present perfect change to past perfect. Okay, now present perfect continuous becomes past perfect continuous. Okay, he said, I have been writing a letter. He said that he had been writing a letter. So these are the tense from present to past. Okay, so if simple past tense, again if the sentence is in simple past tense, that will go to past perfect tense. He said, I wrote a letter. He said, comma, I wrote a letter within the quotation mark, that will go, that means wrote means past tense. So it is simple past tense. What it will change? It will change to past perfect. He said that he had written a letter. He said that he had written a letter. Past continuous become past perfect continuous. He said, comma, I was writing a letter. He said that he had been writing a letter. Okay, past perfect and past perfect continuous, there is no change. So how will you change? Simple past will become past perfect, past continuous will become past perfect continuous, and there is no change in past perfect and past perfect continuous. Okay, so this way you will change from direct to indirect speech. And the statement, assertive sentences. Okay, so next one comes future tense. Future tense become future conditional. He said, I will come. He said that he would come. Okay, will change to would, shall change to should, can change to could, may change to might. So this is the change of future tense. Again, certain changes we have to see. We will become the, if it is in direct speech, we, when you change to indirect speech, that will become they. You change to they or she. Okay, so how will you change the pronoun? We will change to they, you will change to they, that means plural you, and singular you will change to he or she. Okay, mine will change to his or her, your will change to their, his, hers, and me will change to him or her. Okay, so same way, like the time you will change, tomorrow will change followed by following day. Okay, today, that day, this will change to that, these will change to those, here will change to there, now will change to then. So certain changes are there when you change from direct to indirect speech, and this will be applicable in all the kind of sentences, like the interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence, what will go one by one, but this is all assertive sentence. But certain thing you have to remember, that if the thing is universal truth, geographical discovery, scientific discovery, then the direct speech In the direct speech, it will remain constant. There will be no change. For example, the teacher said, the earth moves round the sun. Okay, so the teacher said that the earth moves round the sun. There will be no change at all because it is a universal truth. Okay, the teacher said the earth moves around the sun. If the reported verb is in the present tense, then we will be not changing anything in the reported speech. For example, Ram says, I'll do it. Ram says that he will do that. Okay, so if it is says, then you don't have to change in reported speech. If the reported verb is in present tense, generally reported verb is in past tense. But if the reported verb, sometime if it is says or will say, then when we change to reported indirect speech, the reported speech will remain the same, leaving the time or the pronoun. Okay, so I think you have clear in this what is direct and indirect speech. Rest will continue in the next video. Thank you.